Hello, today I will be showing you how to use ImageJ. I'm just showing a quick review right now, just if you need to remind yourself how to use ImageJ, but I'm going to break it down further in just a second. But before we get started with that, I'd recommend that you make a spreadsheet, however you want to do that, just with the information that you're going to be collecting, and also make a folder with all the images you're going to be looking at. Then we're going to open up, once you've got all that, we're going to open up ImageJ and go up to File, and then Open. And now you choose your first photo that you're going to work with. So in my kelp pneumatocysts folder, I'm going to choose this one, which corresponds with this number. And then you're going to open that, and now you've got your first kelp image open. Next, you're going to choose the line, so the tool right here, and you're going to zoom in on this ruler. You can either pinch to zoom or press shift and scroll up depending on what you have, and you're just going to line this little line up with 1 centimeter. Next, you're going to go up to Analyze and Set Scale, and since we know that this is 1 centimeter, we're going to write that right there, so 1, and then the unit of length, we're going to have that as centimeters. And then press OK, and now we can zoom back out and maybe towards the nematocysts, because that's what we care about. And you just draw another line straight across that, try to get it relatively perpendicular to the stipe, and just like the widest width you've got there. And then you're going to you're going to go up to Measure and Analyze, and now you've got the length right there, so that's 3.049, 3.05, and that's it for the first one. And you just repeat that until you're done. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do that, but just faster, because you're going to have to do that for every single photo that you have, the same process that we just worked through. So instead of going up to the File and New, or Open a new file, you're just going to press Command O. Or, alternatively, you can just press O. If you're on a Windows, you might have to press Control O. But you should work through that quickly. And once you press O, you choose your next photo, open, and then you have to choose a line again. That should still be saved from earlier, and you just draw your line across the 1 centimeter. And to do this really quickly, what I've done is I've gone up to Plugins, Shortcuts. I've added a shortcut because I know I'm going to be doing this a lot, and I've added it. It's not going to show up here, but if you just press, say, 6, you can change it to Set Scale. Oh, here we go. Set Scale. All you need to do every time you want to set your scale is you just need to press 6. I've already set it as 7, so whatever you want to do works, but I'm just going to go ahead and press 7. And since we know this is 1 centimeter, we just press 1 centimeter, centimeter. And if you know that all the photos you're going to be working with are all taken and they're from the same distance from the sample, so they're all the same size photos, you can press this global button, and that saves your scale across all of them. I've found that in some of these ones, they haven't been too accurate just because the photos have been cropped slightly different throughout, so it's just easier for me to get a reliable measurement if I don't click this, but it depends on where your photos are from. And then you press OK, and you scroll back over to your nematocyst. This one's really small, but the same idea. We're just going to drag a line across it and press M this time. Instead of going up to the File or the Analyze and press Measure, all you need to do is press M. So every time you press M, it's just going to show you that same length right here. And that's it.